Amber Broadway here. Great to see you on this beautiful February day. Today I wanted to share with you a little bit about Après, the Solitude way. So as some of you know, we moved to our 8 a.m. lifts, and part of that impetus was that we could try to create some sessioning options for our locals and our visitors. You want to get up and get after it? Great, you come up, enjoy our morning, get up here, leave, and then it creates turnover in our parking lots for those of you that would rather be here in the afternoon. So what I wanted to do is share with you some things that you can do if it's a weekend and you don't want to hop into the canyon and possibly sit in traffic for a while. Maybe you can schedule your day and hang out with us. So at Moonbeam, which is behind us, this is our main base area. As we head into the spring, what you're gonna see here is that beach area behind me and the DJ. We're gonna be playing with that on Saturdays for the rest of the spring. So you can come, listen to some music, grab a couple chairs here, hang out, get some food, get some drinks, and just really enjoy some of that natural vitamin D. On Saturday nights, we've been doing Argent Trivia. We started that last winter. It's grown this winter, so Saturday nights from 4:30 to 6:30, you can hang out right here in our Moonbeam cafeteria and play trivia. This is family friendly. We keep the cafeteria open late so you can get some food. We keep the pub open, grab some drinks, and we give prizes to the top 2 winners. Now, if you don't want to stay that late, another option is just to come and hang out here. You can always grab some waffles and some drinks and to-go items here at Little Dolly's. Take it with you and hit your car. On Sundays, you've probably been seeing back here, we've been firing up some fire pits and doing complimentary s'mores, which is really fun for the kids. And we're doing those from 3:30 to 4:30 on Sundays while supplies last. So a lot of you might forget, we do have our awesome village base area. You can hop on our free shuttle right down the bottom of the Moonbeam stairs, first floor snow sports. Look for the one that's wrapped in Michaela, celebrating her awesome wins, breaking the all-time female record this winter for World Cup wins. Head over to the village. So the shuttles run 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So some options over in the village is you can go over there, you can order pizza from the Stonehouse. Grab some pizza, get some takeout, get back on the shuttle, come back here to your car, and you can just eat that in the car on the way down with your friends. Another option is if you want to stay and have dinner with us, come on over. You can have dinner in St. Bernard's at the Inn. My favorite meal there is the tarte tablette. You can also have dinner at our Honeycomb Grill. Favorite meal there is the bison burger. So go ahead, bring your family and friends over, have dinner before you head down. We also have full bar in both of those restaurants. Another option is if you don't want to be with kids, we have the Thirsty Squirrel. That is our bar, and every Saturday night we are doing live music. So come on over, meet the crew, hang out, listen to some great bands, have a drink, grab some food, and then head down canyon. If you plan it right with the shuttles, you can get over there, get back on the shuttle, come back to your car, and head down canyon while trying to avoid some of that traffic. Another thing to keep in mind is up at the Nordic Center. So every Saturday night we're doing our Nordic nights. So you can head up there, you can book your ticket online. This is an awesome place. Our Nordic Center is up off the Brighton Loop. It's an incredible experience. Took my family up there. We light up all the trails at night with tiki glow torches. You can go up there, we have fire pits and music. So go ahead and book your ticket, do an afternoon ski here, drive on up there. There's plenty of parking at the Brighton store parking lot, and enjoy the Nordic Nights, one of our Saturdays. The other option is you could finish your day at the Solitude Spa. So you put a great afternoon or maybe a full day on the hill. You could go ahead and book yourself a massage or a facial. So over at the Solitude Inn in the village on the bottom floor, the spa stays open till about 6 o'clock. You do need to make those reservations ahead, but you can really make an awesome afternoon and day without having to get back into the canyon. And again, you can go ahead and make that spa or facial with dinner and really have a cool evening experience. So want to throw out there some events ahead that we're really excited about. On Tuesday, February 21st is Obviously Fat Tuesday. Come on up here and celebrate with us. We'll have some great beads going, some really cool food and beverage specials. And then on Thursday, February 23rd is our next roundup at the Roundhouse. So we're keeping that Roundhouse, our Mid-Mountain Lodge, open late. You can either stay up there after lifts end, or you can hike and skin up, enjoy that Himalayan food, and then ski and ride down under moonlight or headlamp. It's a really cool experience. Sunday, February 26th, you Icon Pass holders, we love you and appreciate you. So you are gonna have your own early ups from 7:30 to 8 a.m. on Sunday the 26th. Please come on up and visit us. And again, keep your eye on the storm next week. We do have a couple of feet of snow that's supposed to be coming in, so that early ups next Sunday should be really great. And then looking forward, March is International Women's Month. We're really excited to be celebrating. We invite all of you up on Wednesday, March 8th to celebrate International Women's Day, sponsored by the North Face. We're gonna have some great opportunities to learn and ride some of our athletes and some of our instructors. It'll be a lot of fun, and I'd love to join you on that. So keep your eye on the weather. We're already at 430 inches and counting, and it looks like we're gonna have some amazing powder next week. Thanks, folks.